Okay, in this question there are total 9 students or 9 friends who are sitting in a line facing south. So all are facing south. Once if they are facing south, so this becomes their right and this becomes their left. Right? 3 of them are females, 3 are females, and out of 3, 2 are sitting adjacent to each other. Now the question, further the direction says n is fourth to the right of s. So if n is sitting here, so s must be sitting here. So n becomes the fourth to the right of s. Who? This who is signifying the s. So it means s is second to the left of o. S is second to the left of O. Who? Now this who is telling about O is signifying O. O is not the immediate neighbor of M. So M will not sit here, M will not sit here. R is fourth to the left of O. So left of O means here 1, 2, 3 and 4. R is fourth to the left of O. And is second to the right of U. So right of U is this. See, carefully read this sentence. Here it says R is fourth to the left of O, and this and is second and is connecting these two sentences, right? And after joining these sentences with and, it says further, the second sentence says is second, means R is second to the right of U. Okay, P is not an immediate neighbor of U or N. So P will not sit here, neither he will sit here. So P either sit here or here. Okay. Then P is not a male. P is not a male. Only one person sitting at the extreme end is a female. So either N or U, one is female. Q is not an immediate neighbor of either S or R. So Q will not sit here, here, here. Q has to sit here only. Okay. Now no female is an immediate neighbor of R. So since no immediate neighbor of R is a female, so I am using a sign plus under them, under these two vacant places, because their male has to sit and we are using plus sign for the male. Now earlier we read one sentence which says P is not a male and P has to sit between these two places. Okay, one of the two places. Okay, he has to sit either here or here, and here male has to sit, but P is not a male, so definitely P has to sit here, and P is a female. That's why I'm writing minus sign under P. Okay. Now further it says T does not sit second to the right of M. Now we are left with two vacant places, and we are left with two friends M or T, and it says T does not sit to the right of does not sit second to the right of M. So definitely M will sit here and T will sit here. Okay, so this we finishes with our diagram, or now we have to quickly analyze them among the male and the female. No female is an immediate neighbor of R. We have already put plus sign to the immediate neighbor of R for the male. Then it says the immediate neighbor of P are males. So I am putting plus sign under S and plus sign under O, representing the male candidates. Now it also says that two females here, two females are sitting adjacent to each other. So we have to find two friends that are adjacent to each other and are not marked with any sign. Yes, here they are, N and Q. So we have to write, or I'll mark minus sign under them. And also they were saying that one of the two sitting at the extreme end is female, right? Here it is written is female, and this is also proving right here. N is a female here, so you must be male. And since there are total 3 females, we have figured out the 3 females as N, Q and P, so R is a male only. So this finishes off with our main portion. Now it's become easy question 14 to 19 become easy for you. Let me tell you how. In which of the following combinations is the third person sitting between the first and the second person? Now here it says that you have to find the combinations. These options are the combination of 3 people, and you have to mark that option as answer where third person is sitting between the first and the second person. Let's see. Third has to sit between the first and second. RSM. RSM. No. R is the third person who is sitting at first place. Rejected. OSQ. OSQ. Yes. This third person is sitting between them. So 2 might be the answer. Let's check the rest also. MSP. MSP. Rejected. TUN. Rejected. None of these. So option number 2 is the correct answer to this question.